Hey guys, today I wanted to share with you my winter tanning routine. So this is the tanning routine that I love to do to get me a little bit tan in the winter and the colder months, especially around the times of the holidays where you're feeling pasty and you want to look a little bronzed. Just makes you feel a little bit better. So I'm going to share with you my favorite products for tanning, and if you like this makeup look, I actually uploaded it over on Instagram in Reels, so you can go and check it out, and I do the tutorial there and link all the products, all that good stuff. Also, after this video next week, I'm gonna upload a winter glam. So it's gonna be hair, makeup, nails, the whole thing. So look for that video next week on my channel. So let's get right into the tanning. So today I am using the Saint Tropez. This is the collaboration with Ashley Graham. This is the Luxe Mousse. It is so nice, doesn't smell, not sticky, and the kit does include a mitt, which is great. So I always like to put everything out before tanning, and I use a flat angle brush for my face, my hands, and my feet, and I'll get into why a little bit later. And then I always use gloves. You're gonna wanna also get out your favorite moisturizing lotion. I like this Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It smells really great, but any lotion will do. And I always use the Tree Hut exfoliator. This is the candy cane. It smells so good. It's not like peppermint. It's just like sweet and perfect for the holidays. It's the best body scrub. Get yourself some of this for self-tanning. So starting out with the shower routine when I self-tan. So I like to use a washcloth. I just feel like it kind of gets in there and really exfoliates really well. You want to pay special attention to dry areas. So like your feet, ankle area, elbows, knees, and then finish up with shaving. Next up, so we exfoliated, we shaved. Now I like to go in with a little bit of lotion, and I like to apply it to my elbows, rub it in nice and good. Also my knees, my feet, and my ankle area. You don't want to like cake it on there, but you want to make sure it is coated. So any dry areas, you want to make sure you put some lotion on. So popping on some gloves here before I start to tan, and you got to be careful with this foam. You got to hold it upright because a lot comes out at a time. So I like to do like 2 pumps about per arm. My technique has stayed the same with like any tanner that I use. So what I do is I apply it to like the main portions of my arm, and then I go back in and I massage into my elbows and down by my wrists, and then like gently under the underarm. You want to make sure you get the majority of the tanner like on your biceps and your forearm, and then massage the excess in later. That way it'll be nice and even and you won't have any streaking or patches. So I've come to the conclusion that there is no flattering way to show you how I tan. Anyway, moving on to the chest area, I do about 1 pump, and I generously rub that in to my chest area, and then I start to massage into my shoulders and even onto like the back around my shoulder. Just really blend it in. You can't blend too much, so don't forget that. And then I also massage it up into my neck. So since I already explained my tanning process, I wanted to just give you a little bit of background as to why I love this specific tanner, is because it's more like skincare and it's not sticky. So sometimes when you put self-tanner on, it can be a little bit sticky. Also with this, there's not much of a scent to it. If anything, I smell like a really luxurious skincare. You're not really getting that DHA scent that some of the other tanners have. That being said, this is more of like a glow tan, where you're not going to be getting like a deep dark tan, I think, from like the regular Saint Tropez or even Loving Tan or like other brands that I've tried. So I just wanted to clarify that for you. So for legs, I do 2 pumps for my shin and my calf area, and then 2 pumps for my thigh. And I finish up with massaging it around my knee and then a little bit towards the ankle. So next up, I'm going to walk you through how I tan my face. I get a lot of questions on this. I like to use a flat angled brush, and I just dip it right into the mitt and just put it on like I'm putting on foundation. But you want to make sure that you do not apply the product like around where your mustache would be, around your eye area. So you want to save that for last. So you want to put it on like you're putting on foundation with a brush, and put it on like your forehead, your cheek area, and then touch over those very delicate areas lastly and just kind of brush over them. I also use this brush to apply product to my ears, and again, I just very lightly airbrush it over my ears and then also apply it down my neck. For hands, I like to make a claw with my hands to make sure those knuckle lines are nice and smooth and that you're getting in there. If you don't do that, it's gonna look very patchy, very bad. And just kind of airbrush it on, massage it on, and then gently go like around your wrist area, get in between your fingers. So I'm gonna apply that same technique to my feet. I'm gonna speed through this part because nobody wants to see people's feet, I don't think. Maybe some do, I don't know. So we're all finished. I'm going to wait about 8 hours or so. You can wait like 4 to 6, and then I'm gonna jump in the shower. So it's been 7 hours and I'm just rinsing off in the shower now. Again, not super hot water, gentle with the soap, and you wanna just make sure you're not scrubbing. Do all that in order to make your tan last the maximum time. So when you towel dry, you're just gonna wanna pat. You're not gonna wanna rub your skin. Just kind of pat yourself dry. Another thing I forgot to mention is I like to use like a colored towel or a darker towel just in case there is some transfer. I am back. The tan is all processed and I just did my makeup. As I mentioned earlier, I shared this look over on Instagram, so you can check it out there. I will link my Instagram handle down on the screen in case we're not connected over there yet. And stay tuned for next week's video. I'm gonna share with you my holiday glam routine, and I have a lot of really cool, fun things to share. I have the funnest nails that I can't wait to share with you guys. So I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.